गुड आफ्टरनून क्लास 12 आज हामी सोयलको पाठ पढ्नेछौँ। त्यसको इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसन प्रिभियस इयर्समा आएको त्यसबारे चर्चा गर्नेछौँ। यसमा लङ क्वेसन र सर्ट क्वेसन हामी दुईटा या त तीनटा गर्नेछौँ, बुझ्यौ त। र प्रश्न छ स्पेसिफाई 4 मेजर रिजन फर सोयल पल्युसन। यो आएको छ एचएस 2014 मा। ओके, आई विल रिड आउट, यू हैव टु राइट डाउन एन्ड लर्न इट। ओके, soil pollution may be defined as the contamination of soil by toxic chemicals in amount that cause danger to human health and the ecosystem. Four reasons for this type of contaminations are intoxication by waste, use of pesticides, percolation of pollution, surface water, streets and oil, and fuel dumping. The most common chemical involves are petroleum, hydrocarbons, solvents, leads and other heavy metals. Soil pollution is mainly caused by the contamination of soil with waste material. Waste generation results from the leaching of waste from landfills or direct discharge of industrial waste into the soil. These waste includes heavy metals, inorganic lawns and the salt, for example, phosphate, carbonate, sulfate, nitrogen, and many organic compounds. These compounds are mainly formed through soil microbial activity and decomposition of organisms. Heavy metals and the other potentially toxic elements are the most grave soil pollutant in sewage. Besides, the brisk industrialization of agriculture and the steady growth of the chemical industry has led to an increasing use of pesticides which easily contaminate the soil. Reputer of the groundwater storage tanks leads to percolation of polluted surface water to subsurface strata. Okay, often facilities that have oil toxins and the chemicals becomes damaged or destroyed. Their spills and the leaks cause soil pollution. The next question is bring out, this is a short question, okay, bring out the influence of parent rock in soil formation. यो HS 2015 मा आएको छ प्रश्न. The formation and the properties of a particular soil are highly influenced by the parent rock, as the soil constituents such as silicates, calcium, potassium, etc. are formed by weathering of the parent rocks. The nature of the parent rocks affect the nature of the soil as well as its color. For example, if the parent rock is dark in color, such as basalt, the soil formed from it is also dark in color. Similarly, if the parent rock is acidic, the soil becomes acidic in nature, and if the parent rock contains a particular minerals, then that minerals becomes a constituent of the soil formed from it. Okay, so the next question is discuss the difference between the elevation and the illuviation. Okay, what is mean by elevation? You आएको थियो HS 2018 मा. So in the left side it is elevation and the right side it is illuviation. Illuviation is the process by which the soil constituents are transported from the A horizon to the B horizon, while illuviation is the process by which the soil constituents are washed down to the bottom and accumulate there. Secondly, the layers of elevation is A horizon, the layers of illuviation is B horizon. Okay, then the next question is What is soil profile? HS 2016 में आएको प्रश्न यो यतापट्टिको 3 नम्बरको क्वेसन मैले छोडिदिएँ. ओके. The soil profile is the vertical section from the soil surface down to the parent rock. It shows the soil horizons in sequence. There are 3 distinct horizons A, B and C. Often the bedrocks lying beneath the C horizon is referred to as the D horizon. The topmost layer is the A horizon. It contains humus and clay as well as minute soil particles. Hence, this layer is dark in color. This is the alluviation layer. Before this layer lies the B horizon. Minerals of the upper layers are transported to this layer and accumulate here. Hence, this is the alluviation layer. Here, the organic matter turns black, giving the soil a dark color. Below the B horizon lies the C horizon. It forms the transportation zone between the parent rock and the true soil. It contains of porous materials and is poor in organic matter. Hence, it is low in fertility. The lowermost layer consists of the weathered bedrocks, which is the parent rock. Okay. So, आज म यो 3वटा प्रश्नहरू तिमीहरूलाई दिए सोयल पार्टबाट. यसलाई राम्ररी सुन्छौ, हेर्छौ अनि कपीमा लेखेर के गर्ने कोसिस गर्छौ, याद गर्ने कोसिस पनि गर्छौ. ओके.